Morning, morning, morning. It's Friday. Oh, it's Friday. I am here about to get the workout in. I thought it wasn't going to really be nobody here at the class when I pulled up, but everybody is starting to come on in. But everybody's coming on in. Getting ready to get this workout in. Friday, she said she was gonna do I guess when we go to the different sections or whatever, that's what it is. I'm finna try to go ahead on and I guess because last time I was trying to get the total setup that she had, but they was picking it up so fast before I can grab my camera. I'm gonna try to walk in here with my cameras to show you the setup that she be having. I got my bottle of water. Last time I forgot to get my water, but so go get this in and I'll holla back. Okay, I just wanted you guys to see. It's like stuff and different stuff. We're gonna go around the gym. She have us go to each area for so many seconds and do a workout session. We go from section to section and get our workout in. But I just want you to see that. Hello, hello, hello. Good day to everyone, and to everyone a good day. I didn't close out my vlog yesterday. I got back to the house and got to straightening up and doing this and doing that. I didn't close it out, but and I meant to when I was on the treadmill and all that stuff like I normally do, I meant to get some of that, but it was another lady in there that she was on the treadmill and her sister she was in there with her sister, but I wasn't gonna get on the treadmill because the workout that we did yesterday, I wasn't going to get on the treadmill because the workout, that was something. She really worked us where it just worked your legs and stuff and your arms. So I wasn't really trying to push myself to get on the treadmill and tire myself out too bad. But I was like, well, let me just go ahead and get on the treadmill for like 5 minutes. I said, I'll do that. But I got on the treadmill and I ended up being on the treadmill for about like 15 minutes instead of what I said because I was talking to the lady. She has lymphedema as well. I was born with my lymphedema. She got her, which, I mean, you can either be born with lymphedema or you can get it later on in life. You don't have to be born with it. Primary is when you are born with it. Secondary is when you can get it at any point during your life or whatever. She been having it. She got it 2015, and she started talking because they saw the shoes that I had on, and I was telling her because which it is hard to find shoes and all that stuff. It is. And here where I stay, Payless closed down. There was one place that I normally would go to get shoes, and me and her was just talking about how, like, pretty much sometimes that we have to just, like, as far as house shoes, you have to go in the men's section. We have to go in the men's section and get some house shoes out of the men's section, because the women's section, they're not either wide enough or they're not big enough. So she was saying that she liked my shoes where I get them from, because the shoes I have are women's shoes, and I told her I went on Amazon. Didn't even know all this time I'm scrambling trying to find me some shoes, find this, find that in Amazon. They have all that on Amazon. So I told her, to go on Amazon and she can get her some shoes, and she'll be able to get some women's shoes. She don't have to go look up and get them out of the men's section. But we talked about that as far as, I was telling her about Amazon with shoes, and I even got some yoga pants. I was telling her about me having an extra piece added on the side and all that, but it was just really, really good talking to her. I really did get a joy out of talking to her, and she was saying that she saw the video that I did, and that she was inspired, and that she was so glad that she met me, and that just made me feel good. It just makes me feel good, because I just feel so good that my video is serving its purpose, and by the grace of God, I'll just pray and look forward to it, even for it to just keep on doing what the video is doing, and for it to do, just grow and just keep on inspiring and touching people. But I just really, really enjoyed talking to her. She was saying how she was depressed and stuff at first, and she glad she started getting up, coming to go exercise. We start talking about how, like, how that's making a difference, and that's really helpful. It don't matter if you exercise for like 20 minutes or 30 minutes. You may think because it's 20 minutes or 30 minutes it's not doing that much, but it is. It really is helping, because like I was telling her, with me, it used to kind of ache me a little bit to get in and out of my car, and me doing what I'm doing, coming to exercise and stuff, it's been making a difference. It's been making a difference. You may not think it is, but it is. So I'll just talk to her, and we were, encouraging each other. I mean, she was glad that she got to meet me and talk to me. I was glad that I got to meet her and talk to her, and we was just encouraging each other, to just keep it going one day at a time and don't give up. Like I told her, like what and I told her about like what my grandmother had told me, that it's a lady that was going to the senior citizen building that she go to. She was in a wheelchair with her lymphedema, and so she was just, and she said to me, "Well, do you understand and know how blessed you are?" And I said, "Yes, ma'am, I do." So, things could be way, way worse, and we just have to be grateful and thank God. And if you can be an inspiration to somebody else, then be that, because it's way bigger than us anyway. For us to, serve a greater purpose. It's way bigger than us, God blesses us to bless others, and But yeah, I really did enjoy meeting her and talking to her, and she was so glad because she just had me laughing because she had said, "I saw you on on Facebook. I see your video," and I was just like I said, I'm just glad that the video is serving its purpose, and I pray that it just keep on and just spread and just be even more greater and better as far as like inspiring and touching even more people, reaching even more. I just but yeah, but if your day didn't start off great, it's not too late to make it great. Go out and get you some sunshine. If it's raining wherever you at, you are the sunshine. So yeah, be blessed. Bye.